Okay po, ayan, just to give you po a short background or history po regarding sa ating workshop, McDonald's Kiddie Crew Workshop. Okay, next slide, Ate Shao. Ay, what is Kiddie Crew? Okay, makinig po. Ayan, a heritage program, heritage program of McDonald's. Buhay, 1998 ako, was born 1998. So, ayan, mga ano pa yan. Siguro mga tita ko pa yan. Buong panahon na yan. So, sino ba dito yung nakapag-try na ng ating Kiddie Crew? Lahat po ay first time? Sino po yung first time? Lahat, halos po. Ayan, so very exciting. So, yan po ang ating history ng ating Kiddie Crew McDonald's Workshop. Ayan, next. Ano nga po ba ang ginagawa ng mga bata? Okay, para saan nga po ba yung ni-register at binayad natin ng 999? Okay, ayan, kita naman po natin based on the picture. Ayan, it's all about unique hands-on McDo activities. Ayan, meron ding fun games, arts, and talent presentations. Ayan, forming new friendship. Wow, syempre magkakaroon sila ng mga bagong friends. And also, for the last part, ito yung pinaka-importante, the values and skills development. Hindi nyo mamalayan yung mga kids kung medyo mahihain dito sa workshop, lumabas na yung ano nila, pagiging makulit. Lumabas na yung mga skills nila na de-develop unti-unti. Ayan. Siyempre, everyday meron po kaming mga core value na ituturo sa mga bata, sa lahat po ng mga kids na nag-workshop. So, next tayo, ate. Ayan. Speaking of values and core values, na ituturo pa namin everyday. So for day 1, meron pong word of the day, discipline. For the second day, it's responsibility. And for the third day, it's all about teamwork. And for the fourth day naman, it's all about diligence and hard work. Ayan. Ayan ang mga dapat tandaan ng mga kids na aming ituturo day by day. Okay, next slide po. Ayan. Siyempre lahat naman po tayo dito. Some of you, almost 50% po ng aming na-recruit sa Kiddie Crew Workshop ay galing po online. Ayan, nakikita po nila yung mga magagandang photos and video na pinupost po namin every day. Ayan, dito po namin sila nakuha. At meron po kami official hashtag si McDo Philippines, which is hashtag McDo Kiddie Crew Bootcamp. So last year, ang team po ay Galaxy. Ngayon naman po ay Bootcamp po. McDo Kiddie Crew Bootcamp. Ayan, bilang ako, sorry. Ayan, so pwede po natin yan gamitin. Libre lang po para po pag mag-post kayo ng mga pictures ng inyong mga kids, ayan, pwede po natin siyang i-tag or i-hashtag po. At pwede rin po kami i-tag sa any social at ng afternoon. So day 1, ano ba yung gagawin nila? So later on, malalaman niyo po yan lahat. Okay po? Okay, malapit na to. Ayan, Kiddie Crew Workshop Guidelines and Schedule. Ayan, okay po. Next na po, Ate Shao, please. Okay po. Ayan, dito po sa video ng presentation na ginawa po ni Kiddie Crew, McDonald's Philippines, dito po lahat malalaman nyo na. Ayan, para po hindi na po ako masyado magsasalita. At dito na po lahat.
We'll learn how to create our favorite McDonald's cheeseburger to the tune of a cool rap. And our vision for the day will be at the lobby, where we greet guests with a smile and wish them have a happy day.
Day 4 is all about the Kiddie Crew value of hard work and diligence. And for our mission for the day, customers on the go will get a dose of happiness when we greet them and take and serve their orders at the drive-thru window.
And finally, day 5 is graduation day, when we officially become Kiddie Crew.
It will be a celebration of happiness and achievement, with games and, of course, your Kiddie Crew certificate.
Congratulations, Kiddie Crew campers!
Now, to make sure you really have a great time at the Kiddie Crew Workshop Bootcamp Edition, we have a few reminders for you. So listen up, Kiddie Crew campers. Number 1, be ready. Be on time, dress comfortably in your clean uniform, long pants, and closed shoes. Do not wear short pants, short skirts, or any jewelry. Don't forget to put a happy smile on your face, ready to serve others and be your best.
Number 2, keep your things organized so they don't get lost. You can keep your stuff in your Kiddie Crew backpack. Don't forget your Kiddie Crew Bootcamp tracker too.
Number 3, keep your hands clean and sanitized, especially before handling food.
Number 4, stay safe. Keep away from hot surfaces, sharp objects, and always look where you're going.
Number 5, walk carefully. The store is always filled with people. If you run, you might bump into someone holding a tray of food.
Watch out for spills and wet spots on the floor, and inform a camp leader if you see a wet spot.
And last but definitely the most important thing to remember is have fun.
Enjoy the Kitty Crew Workshop Boot Camp with your new friends.
Hooray! We are now ready to start our first day.
Always remember these reminders, and your days here at the Kitty Crew Workshop Bootcamp Edition will be filled with fun memories you will remember for years.
Kitty Crew campers,
Salute! Welcome to the McDonald's Kitty Crew Workshop Bootcamp Edition.
Pinag-on po natin. So, ayun po, day by day daw po, dapat, ayan, ready. No shoes. Okay, doon naman tayo sa mga reminders po. Sa mga reminders naman po, very strict po tayo dyan. Kasi po, iniiwasan po natin na magkaroon ng incident na ma-harm yung mga bata. So, safety first pa rin po. Palagi ang aming priority for the kids. Okay po, bawal po tayo magsuot ng mga kahit Crocs or slippers. Dapat po, closed shoes, kahit hindi naman po white shoes, kagaya nasa picture. Any shoes po na rubber na comfortable ang mga kids, and long pants. Ganyan po ang dapat na maging appearance. Kada nasa loob po sila ng workshop. So let's move on naman po sa ating mga materials and guidelines. Okay, for the workshop uniform, meron po sila Kitty Crew shirt, ayan, bucket hat, and then yung backpack, okay? For the hat, isang size lang po yan, and yung backpack, same size lang po. Ang kakaiba lang po is yung uniform na t-shirt po. Diyan po, magkakaiba-iba. Next, doon po tayo sa other workshop materials. Ayan, meron po kami dito na unahin na po natin yung Fetcher's ID. Ito po, yung mga magiging ID po ng mga susundo sa mga kids po na mag-workshop. So, lalagyan po ng picture nung susundo, hindi po nung Kitty Crew. Okay po? Ayan po. Tapos, syempre, parents or guardian name. Ayan, tapos Kitty Crew name, and then picture po nakakasya dito nung magsusundo or magpe-fetch sa Kitty Crew. Next, syempre kung meron sa parents, meron po sa kid. Ito po yung magiging ID nila. Dito po yung name ng Kitty Crew natin. And then sa likod, meron kami ditong tracker po na tinatawag. Dito po namin i-mark o lalagay ng stamp kung natapos po ba nila yung task or mission nila day by day. For example, ito, burger maker. Ayan, syempre lahat naman sila gagawa. Lahat po sila magkakaroon ng star. Pag nakompleto po yan, magiging po natin to, parang guide, or dito po kami magbe-base kung ano po ang ma-receive nila na award on the graduation day. Next po, ayan, yung cheeseburger making sticker. Ayan, doon po sa cheeseburger making nila, magkakaroon po sila ng sariling sticker na mayroong pangalan doon sa white sa baba. So, yun lang naman po. And then certificate, original po yan, galing po mismo kay McDo Philippines. Next, ayan, yung mga dadalhin naman, what to bring, coloring materials. Dito po, iwasan na po natin yung mga may sharp objects. Kasi po, ang mga bata, kahit bantayin po namin yan, hindi po namin lahat all the time mamamalayan kung ano po ang ginagawa na nila. Lalo na pag nandito sa loob at meron na silang mga katabi. Mamaya nagkukulitan sila, hindi namin alam, nasugatan na pala yung katabi niya ng color pencil. So, better po is yung mga na lang, with apple juice. Lahat po yan apple juice, iba-iba lang po ang magiging meals. Sorry, baligtad to. Paano yung ginagawa po namin kasi day 1, Max Spaghetti. Next po dyan is yung Burger McDo. Pangatlo, yung cheeseburger na gagawin nila sa cheeseburger making activity ay yun na po ang kanilang magiging snack. Next naman po is Burger McDo, and for the graduation, 1-piece chicken. Ayan po ha, hindi po sila magugutom. So pag kinulang po ang food nila, pwede po tayong mag-order sa front counter. Next. Yan. Okay po. Importante rin po kasi ito, mommies and parents, the guardian must sign the ID release form upon receiving parents or guardian must submit 2 copies of 1x1 photo. Okay, the name of purchase ID must match the name written on both the tracking and purchase ID. Okay, ayun po. Next. Security, safety, and guidelines. Okay. All Kilig Group participants will receive 1 purchase ID. Okay, ayan po. Nasabi ko na po. And ayan, upon arrival po, meron po kayo syempre attendance, mommies and daddies, no? Ayan, syempre kung may log in, meron pong log out. Nandiyan po yung date, kung anong date, Kilig Crew name, and then sa second column, yung companion, kung sino yung kasama, yung fetcher, o yung taga-sundo, yung parent po. Ayan, ayan, ibibigay din po namin to. Next naman po is yung authority to fetch letter. Ayan, a formal document yun, used when a parent or guardian is unavailable. So personally pick up their child, ayan, from the Kilig Crew workshop. Okay, magsabi po agad kapag hindi po kayo makakapagsundo kinabukasan. So magre-release po kami ng ganitong waiver na pinapayagan nyo po na iba ang susundo sa mga kids nyo or mga anak nyo po. Next naman po. Nawala ulit. Sorry. So, ayun po, dapat po, kung hindi kayo available ahead of time, magsabi po agad sa amin. So, makikilala niyo po yung iba kong mga kasama. So, yesterday, nagkandak po kami ng batch number 3, afternoon, and morning session, graduation day. So, very happy ang mga parents at kids at talagang natuto at nag-enjoy. So, nasa na po tayo? Ayan, yung authority to fetch letter. Lalapitan po agad kami kapag hindi po kayo available magsundo. Ayan, dahil meron din pong incident, di namin namalayan, nakuha na pala yung bata, hanap pa kami ng hanap, di po nagpaalam sa amin. So kami po ang problema. So ayan, for safety reason, it is required that kids wear long pants. Kasi po, papasok po kami sa kitchen. So sa kitchen po, doon po niluluto at siniserve at pinaprepare ang mga food. So marami po doon ang services. So iniwasan po namin na magkaroon ng mga any incident na hindi po safe sa mga bata. Ayan, dito naman tayo po sa, ayan, last time po, last batch, parang nagkaroon po kami ng, ay di po argument, parang ano lang, na yung ibang parent, parang hindi na kami pinapakinggan, kasi po sabi po namin, 1 companion lang po per 5 years old below. So, tendency, ang nangyari po, yung mga kids nila naging distracted. Hindi po sila masyado nakapag-focus. Na-observe po namin yon. So, share ko lang po para po maiwasan natin na yung mga kids ma-distract sila during workshop. So, ang pinapayagan lang po namin is 5 years old and below, and yung merong children with disabilities, yung mga may special needs. Ayan, syempre po, ayan, pwede po niyong samahan sa loob ng workshop. 1 companion lang po. Ayan. And kung hindi po talaga kaya, yung kids ay medyo nagkukulit, nagtatantos talaga, so pwede nyo po talaga samahan. So, pero kung kaya nyo pong iwan, kita nyo po, ay kaya na ng anak ko yan. Sige, iwan kita, makafocus ka sa loob na enjoy mo, magkaroon ka ng friends, matututunan mo lahat ng ituturo. Go! Pwede nyo pong iwan. Ayan. Ayan, syempre po, ayan, just to give you a short idea and para po sa mga iba pang guidelines and reminder, hindi naman po namin sila pagtatrabahuhin. Ha? Hindi po. Ayan, hindi po namin sila